How to download Minecraft for free on PC. Google search for Minecraft, open up the first website. Now right here you will click on games at the very top, and then you want to select try Minecraft free. Once you click on try Minecraft free, is going to take you to this page, and if you scroll down a little bit you will see Minecraft Java Edition and also Bedrock Edition. Let's say that you want to try Java Edition, you will just click on Windows 10/11, and then this is going to open up the Minecraft installer. Once you click on the Minecraft installer, then this is going to sign you into your account if you have a Microsoft account, and then after a little bit of time then you will be able to play Minecraft. Now this is going to open up the Minecraft launcher, and if you click on play then you will get access to Minecraft and you can play Minecraft this way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.